Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Khalifa and I document my journey to become a successful trader right here on YouTube with you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into my dashboard. Let me show you guys what's going on. So guys, here's the dashboard as you can see, and judging by the numbers, I'm officially out of drawdown, guys. Last week I was down 1.8%, 60 something dollars, $69 if I'm not mistaken. Today I am up $55 in profit, meaning my account is now up 1% in profit. That's massive improvement, guys. And I know that I can do even much better than what I did. I know myself. I have belief in my skill. And like, this is just like the beginning of or the starting of something huge. I know. So the account balance is now sitting at $5,055, meaning that I'm up 1% and I'm floating around $55 in profit. Let me not bore you guys to death. Coming into the trading overview, you can see that the account growth is now up 1.1%. The balance equity, you can see, you know everything already. And I now have 106 trades taken, meaning I took like 5 trades over the week, which was all valid trades, by the way. So yeah, and my win ratio is now 39%. With this account, I know that my win ratio is not way less like this. So yeah, that's it for the dashboard and the growth of the accounts right now. And you guys can clearly see that we are improving here, man. And I just hope that we can keep building on this performance like that. So yeah, you can clearly see the equity curve is slowly heading up to the upside. Sorry. I hope I can, be able to cross this challenge, and then hopefully they'll give me the account. I'll start trading live. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. So now let me just show you guys the trades I took over the week, and then we'll just end the video there. And I will see you guys next week again. So yeah, coming into my trading journal, you can clearly see I took 5 trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one be the GBP USD trade that was still running. I showed you guys that one. So yeah, and then the first one, it was a losing trade, but it was still a valid trade though. I knew it could go this way because it was a hedge trade for my other positions. So yeah, fortunately this one went bad, and then the other ones, yeah, they ended up playing well. There's a high time frame, medium time frame, and then the lower time frame. So as you can clearly see, the daily was clearly bearish, and this being the recent break of structure price swept liquidity, fractal break to the downside, pull back up, didn't quite tap into the supply zone. But when you look inside the forward time frame, after the sweep here, it changed character to the downside, played a little, but then it started showing signs that maybe it wants to head down. So I took the trade. It was a valid trade though, but yeah, it ended up being a bad one, which is part of the game. Losses are part of the game, right? So yeah, the next one. Next one is USD This one was a winning trade, a beautiful trade for that matter. I told you guys last week the mistake I made, like by moving my trade to like even too early, right? And it wasn't time for me to do that. And I said like at that point, any downside that I see would just be like a pullback for me to, add to it or retake the trade again. And that's what ended up happening, guys. Price started pulling back, and then it gave me another confirmation to, take the trade to the upside, and I took it. So at that time, price was sitting around here, right? So it pulled back a little, and then in the 4-hour time frame, it changed character to the upside, and then it mitigated this demand zone. Yes, from there it was just a matter of my entry model presenting itself, and then me hopping inside the trade and that. So yeah, as you can see, guys, this is a beautiful trade, right? I don't know, but you can tell. So yeah, moving into the next trade. The next trade is USD CAD trade, right? Yes, USD CAD. Sorry. Next trade. Yes, USD CAD. This one was a beautiful one. I was a little bit hesitant to, take this trade because I took like some winning trades, so I did not want to, give my profits back to the market. But I told myself that this is my edge, and executing my edge consistently over the long run is what is going to make me become like the trader I've always dreamed to become. So me skipping this trade because I took like winning trades and don't want to give the profits back. It's just emotional trading, which I'm trying to avoid right now. So I took the trade, and guys, guess what happened? Like, it was a beautiful one. Yeah, beautiful one. Let me show you daily time frame. Yes, it was that. Clearly, it's bullish though, but fractal structure was bearish. So after the sweep of these lows, price gave me a change of character to the upside, pulled back into this range, like a beautiful like one, and it was just in line with my trading plan. I set my limit up here, the stop loss below here, then my take profit was set for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Price came this close to my take profit, guys, but it did not hit it, and it started pulling back. As you can see, this is clearly some like emotional trauma that I held through it, and then price ended up smashing my full take profit. That's the power of sticking to your plan, following your plan to the core, and leaving the outcome to the market. That's it. So the next one is the next and the last one is Euro USD trade. This trade too, it was a beautiful one, and it also played with my emotions, but I did not let it get to me, even though I made a little error. Yeah. High time frame. Medium time frame. And then the lower time frame. So coming into the high time frame, as you can clearly see, guys, you know the drill already. We are in that pullback phase, right? So all I was just doing is like to find another entry to target downside, especially this relative equal lows. And then inside the 4-hour time frame, price sweeps liquidity up here, change character to the downside. I took the trade here. Then yeah, from there it was just a matter of leaving everything to the market. Blocks. Yes, that's it. Let me get rid of this. So yes, I took the trade here. One of my entry models here. So pulled back. See, like it came this close to my stop loss, but I knew this one was a strong high. So once price break it, then there's no way like this market will go in my direction again. So it ended up playing up. This one was news, by the way. Yes, and it played out beautifully for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's how my week went, guys. Very, very beautiful week. I was able to, bring my account back at break even like I said I would. And then I was able to even go as far as getting 1% in profit, which is massive improvement. And I want to, build on this momentum and then just start scaling from here. So yes, if you like this video, guys, because this brings us to the end of the video. If you like it, just help me grow by supporting the channel, subscribing, liking the video, commenting, sharing, and all that, so that I'll be able to grow. So without any further ado, guys, you guys should have a nice one. Cheers.